In this video, you will learn how to cancel the BDO credit card online. Log into your BDO online banking. Go to the online banking website or app, then sign in with your account credentials. Go to Messages or Contact Us. Navigate to the Messages or Contact Us section in your online banking dashboard. Compose a request. Select an option to send a message or request, then choose your credit card service as the subject. Request for a card cancellation. Write a clear request asking for your credit card, including your card type and the last 4 digits of your card. Submit the request. Send your cancellation message and wait for the acknowledgement from BDO customer service team. Check for confirmation. Monitor your emails or BDO online messaging for confirmation and instructions regarding your card cancellation. Now you know. Now you know how to cancel your BDO credit card online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.